and the team has helped me on controlling my emotions.
Adam and Matthew are the awesome guys, and they're always looking out for us.
I mean, he's been very helpful. He's been more than accommodating with some of our requests as the years go on, as the shows go on.
He was so helpful in every moment and every stage. And I told him this morning that he gave us so much support.
But the reality is that they have taught me so well, giving me good positions, understanding my business.
We showed him everything. He definitely helped us a lot and gave us ideas.
You know, whenever I give them a call, they're always there to help us out. They're always thinking about us in the back of their mind.
This is like a family because we see each other 3-4 times a year.
He's a great person. Try to find all the solution for our problem here before and after, but everything is covered with him.